Corvette Talk with Scags. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Veterans, thank you for your service. I'm sure there's at least a couple of you out there that are Corvette fans. After all, World War II returning GIs did start this whole hot rod movement in Southern California. So you guys know a lot about cars and hot rods, stuff like that. We got our Centennial Edition Z06 here. I just washed it. If you are a fan of any of my videos, you know that washing these things is not number one on my list of priorities. Getting them dirty is a lot more fun. But I'm going to talk about some products that I use, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on what I do to wash the car. So first and foremost, you're going to need a water source, obviously. Here's my hose. I would recommend that you get a hose and a hose nozzle that doesn't spray you when you're in the face when you drop it, because if you're like me, you probably spray yourself in the face. This goes on and off like this. You drop it and lo and behold, doesn't spray you in the face. So here's our car. If the camera wasn't so friendly, you'd probably see that I did an incredibly mediocre job. Well, that's just the way it is. But I'm still going to show you guys some of the products that I use. I have a little bit of a car show going on here. I got them all three of them out of the garage. It's not too often that I get them all out of the garage at the same time. So today I got them all out, swept out the garage, took out some cool products that I want to show you guys that I use to keep my vets clean. You know, when they're clean. This one's kind of filthy, you know, we won't pay attention to that. So if you come in here, you'll see I got my stuff all lined up. Obviously you're going to need a bucket with your water source. I have this really cool sponge that I use. One side is like a microfiber, the other side is a little more abrasive. As far as soap is concerned, I use this Meguiar's brand wash and wax. And it's no joke, there is a good amount of wax in here. I only have to wax the cars maybe once or twice a year. As far as interior cleansers are concerned, the original Armor All is what I use. Glass, which as you guys know could probably be a little tricky with water spots and stuff. Armor All Auto Glass Cleaner is what I use. Meguiar's Quick Detailer, this is a terrific item. If you wash your car and you get some water spots, this is a really good idea to eliminate those water spots. As far as keeping your wheels and tires clean, I use Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Spray it on, hose it off. Keep your tires clean, I like to use Armor All Tire Foam, another Armor All product there. And to wax, this is a very important item that I have. Zymol, it's a little expensive, but my cars are worth it, so this is what I use as far as a wax is concerned. You're going to need some microfiber the rags or towels. Here's a couple that I use. This is a great brush to get in there and clean your wheels and your tires and stuff. An extra sponge is always a good idea. This is an item that I use that it sucks up the water, so it's really cool. And some magazines that I like to utilize. So folks, this is my garage when there's nothing in it. Try not to pay attention to the gigantic oil spill over there that comes out of the green Corvette every time I use it. Anyway, here are the vets. I hope you guys have a terrific Memorial Day weekend. Don't eat too much, don't drink too much, and enjoy yourself. Happy motoring. I hope you enjoyed the excerpt on the cleaning items. Another plug that I'm doing for a couple of brands out there. Armor All and Meguiar seem to be the main items that I use. So, you know, enjoy your weekend. Happy motoring. Enjoy your Plastic Fantastics. Get them out. Get them out because it's supposed to be a beautiful weekend. As you can see, I got shorts on. Hopefully the camera is as friendly to my body as it is to the car. So we're going to finish off with me posing next to the Centennial Edition Corvette, and we'll sign off with that. So happy motoring. Enjoy your Plastic Fantastic. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great weekend.